Hello everyone, welcome to Playwright series. Today's topic is Playwright for .NET Common Issues and Fixes. So every time we write a code to explain on a topic, we are going to create a new class, and this class will be called in the program.cs file using the object creation method. So once we create an object, we can call the method. So this method I have created in this class. Why we are using this way? Because each video name or each video topic will have a class file. If you have any issues to check with the code, you can directly check the class files here, navigate to that particular code and learn. So for learning purpose, we created the topic or the video class name same and running through the program file. So this is how we have set up our sample scripts. So always use Solution Explorer to go to the particular topic, search it, whatever topic you require, then try to learn. So I will run this script and see whether Playwright is working and browser is launching successfully or not. So I will run. As I highlighted before, we are going to create a object and call the method. So this will be using for all the other sessions which we are going to learn. So in previously also, whatever demos I have shown, I have created a class and I have called that class in the program.cs file. Just simply changing the class file name here will run our application. So if you see, Playwright is working and browser launched successfully. This is what is printed as we have been in the console.writeline. It has opened only blank page. It was very fast that we didn't even see that particular application. It is already open. If you see, blank, it is blank. Okay. So now if I press enter, application will be closed. So this is how we are going to learn Playwright in the upcoming video sessions. So installing Playwright and fixing common issues, you should be aware, because whenever you face an issue, mostly you will face issues related to installation. That installation video is already provided earlier in detail how to install Playwright, and we also walk through on the Playwright demo. Okay, so from now on, we will be having one topic name as class file name, and when we want to run it, we will change the object or the class name. We will change the class name and run it. That will be our practice for learning the particular topic. Once Playwright and browsers are installed correctly, execution is stable. So we should always remember, installing Playwright and browsers is very essential to run our scripts. If no browser is installed, no Playwright execution. So you remember, we through DevTools we have run this script to install our browsers, Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit API. So